Hi everyone, today we're going to make a tabbouleh style salad, and I say style because it's not a traditional tabbouleh, but it is nice. So 150 grams of coarse bulgur wheat. You can use the fine one if you prefer, it's traditional but I like the coarse one. Add that to a saucepan and add 2 cups of water and cook that to the packet instructions. Should take about 10 minutes. Then take 2 to 3 tomatoes and cut them into small pieces. I scoop the pulp out because I don't want it in there. 6 spring onions finely diced and add them into a bowl. Then I have 1 bunch of curly leaf parsley. I like curly leaf parsley, but you can use flat parsley. Then I add 1 bunch of coriander and a bunch of mint. Then I added half a cucumber, which I de-seeded and chopped into small pieces. When the bulgur is ready, fluff it with a fork. Mine was still a little bit warm, so I did leave it to cool a little bit more. Once it's cool, it doesn't need to be totally cool, but once it's cooled and not boiling, put it into the bowl and give everything a good mix together. Season with a teaspoon of salt, the juice of 1 lemon and a good glug of olive oil. Mix everything together and it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoy this. As I said, it's not a traditional tabbouleh, it's a tabbouleh style because I modelled it on tabbouleh, but it's really nice and I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.